Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Y2K outfit and dress and impress without VIP. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose this hairstyle and combine it with this one. And then you're going to color it black. And then you can put on this necklace, make it white for the first selection and the second selection. And this necklace as well, make it this color. And also this sunglass, make it this color for the first selection. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the skirt area. I need to skirt here. Okay, and then for the skirt, I'm going to apply this pattern, this one. And I'm going to apply the same pattern for the second one. Alright, and then I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this top, this one, and also this one. Okay, and for the first top, I'm going to make it this pattern, and for this one, I'm going to make it black. Okay, like this. And for this one, I'm going to make it black as well. Okay, and I'm going to select this shoes. Okay, just leave it like that. And I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to select this item. Okay, then I'm gonna make it thick. Right? And then I'm going to put on this belt. Sorry, I forgot to put on this belt. Okay, perfect. And then I'm going to move to this area and put on this bag. And I'm going to make it this color. And I'm going to go back to this area because I forget this item, guys. Okay, for this item, I'm going to make it this gray color. Alright, and the last time I'm going to select this mobile phone. Alright, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this Y2K outfit and dress and impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.